Hey everybody, it's One Click Lindsay. How are you today? So, here's the deal. I have a big announcement to make. Here at trafficandleads.com, I have been in business for over 12 years generating traffic and leads for a myriad of different clients, online sales, business coaches, local, bricks and mortar. At trafficandleads.com, my team and I of 10 people specialize in driving traffic and leads for all sorts of business. But if I were to have a superpower, if you want to know what my superpower is, it is generating traffic and leads for people who are looking to utilize content that looks like social media posts, online videos, blogs, mailing lists, sales funnels, all those awesome things. They are looking to turn that, friends, into more clients for them, and they sell services, digital services, or coaching packages, or consulting services. That is my superpower. I know how to take that content and your willingness to create that content, and you want to build like this amazing personality brand, very similar to what I have built, and you want to turn that into to clients, consulting, coaching packages, other services, maybe a digital course or two. That is my superpower, and that, friends, is what we are really, really good at here at Traffic and Leads. Hey, Jenny, nice to see you. So, with that being said, I am actually closing my free group. I give away a lot of information, but I'm going to actually niche down and make it my very best information for those looking to create a personality brand and sell stuff through that brand online. So if that sounds like you, which I hope it does, then you need to you do need to apply to be a member of this group, because we really are going to keep a tight fit on the people in this group to make sure that everyone is on the same page and on the same level and can actually benefit from the tips that I'm giving out. So if this sounds like you, you're interested in hearing my best stuff, my superpower to bring more traffic and leads for your service-based business, you should absolutely apply to be a member of this new group. I'm going to go live all the time in there. I'm going to give you my best stuff. It's going to be freaking awesome. And it's called Traffic and Leads University. You can find it in the link there that I put, or you can just go to groups and search for Traffic and Leads University. You'll see my branding, and I hope to see you in there. It will be literally the best Facebook group you have ever been a part of when it comes to digital marketing, because like I said, it's kind of my superpower, not to be arrogant or anything, but I'm really, really, really good at it, which is why I want to create this special Facebook group for people that I know your goals so I can better help you achieve them. So go get signed up for Traffic and Leads University. It's really, really awesome, and I hope to see you on the inside. Thanks, Darwing. Thank you. Hey, John, what's up? Go get in the new group. Go in there. I'm going live there right now. So I will see you on the other side. Make sure you apply, and we will get you in. See you later.